Within the Crypto.com app, we're going to click on Accounts, and then we're going to click here on Crypto Wallet. And at this point, we can now select BNB from the list. And this time, once again, we're going to click on Transfer, but we're going to now click on the Deposit button, and then you have to select the network. So in this case, it's the only one, it's BSC. And now what we want to do here is copy our wallet address. At this point, the rest of the transaction is going to take place here in the Trust wallet. So we're going to click here on our BNB balance, and now we want to click on the Send button, and this is where we are going to paste in the wallet address that we just copied. So we can click here on the Paste button and click on Allow Paste, and now we have to choose the amount. In this case, we're going to send all of it over, so keep in mind we wouldn't leave you with any extra there for any gas fees if you wanted to then do something with your Tether that you had in the account. So you might not want to send all of it yourself, but just for this demo, that's what I'm going to do here. So we're going to click on the max button at this point, which is going to be 34.45, and then we're going to click on Next. At this point, it's going to tell us the network fee here. It's going to be roughly 1 cent worth of BNB. So that's an example here of those gas fees that you have to pay anytime that you are doing a swap or a transfer of cryptocurrencies. So in this case, if everything looks good, you're going to click on the Confirm button, and now the transaction is processing. If we click here on Transaction Details, we can see lightning fast it went from pending to completed. So if we click here on the back button and now return to our home page, we can see that we only have the USDT, the Tether coin that we swapped in our wallet, and the BNB is now gone.